manzo endlini bathembele ugogo asebenza abhekela ngomphili manzo endlini bathembele ugogo basayendeleza ngekhalela sihlala mkheshi abhekela basayendeleza ngekhalela sihlala mkheshi abhekela Mami yemezi wangatilelezi ubunganyama kuyo Mami yemezi wangatilelezi ubunganyama kuyo Asekela Omanzo Endini bathelele ugogo Asekela Abekela Mungkin manzo, mungkin bathembele ugogo Watikadilelezi ubudinganisha mapilo Akhaluma minyembelezi Watikadilelezi ubudinganisha mapilo Asekela abasebenza ngoba impilo manzo endlini bathembele ugogo asebenza abekela ngoba impilo manzo bathembele ugogo basayendeleza ngekhalela sihlala mkheshi abhekela basayendeleza ngekhalela sihlala mkheshi abhekela Zulu. Hi, lekker vrijdag mensen. Lekker vrijdag. Hi, Shakazul. We is repentant. Bana beso repentance yona. Ke mathaka yo. I'm running with the repentance. Habuhloko. Habuhloko. Ai, taka. Bila lentena. Lekker Vrijdag, guys. He said he's repentant. Guys, the reality of the truth. With all my heart, guys. And then, saying Hekanete, Lonald decided because he had about the gift it's all born now. This is not a real pastor. But I'm not. Guys, what's my letter? As we speak, ne, likeni lifing yamuheten, ningeno, likeni no lifing yamuheten. This man is not a pastor, Marokeni, okay. Kele ratela mtwena lona bo holy water. Kele rata lona bo church bo church Jerusalem, bo uniting, bo church unite. Now you little Luna shoot and Piluna. Bo holy uniting. Legally, no. He said he's born again, he's repentant of repentancy of now. He's doing this thing again. Marali petile likeni lilona. Leshebelis. Kuri kya lerata alona alma menemen. Kuri bine moto. Atwana la mataka mralona lona lima menemene. Ana afuting lima menemene ni izi nyoka nyoka lona lima menemene. Akiba kule mamela lima menemene izi nyoka lekotsi luna yo holy water, yo holy Jerusalem, yo this guy is disgracing aksabata le mamela le mamenemene ana after guys. I don't want to be long fandaha guys. Guys, it's a happy new year, ne? And then let's start like a Friday Rubuaka sex. Only sex, guys. Rubuaka sex. Only sex. only sex, guys. Can it work as sex only? And then third Italibona, and then both Judge Judy, Judge Jerusalem, Judge Shaka Zulu, Retalibona, guys. Marlima mene. Ana ashoting. No, halikeni the life in Takat Mokirang. Halikeni, Nixon again, halikeni. But we are na leker Frida, Leakena, and then I'll put it. He said his repentance. Where is Pastor Enigma? Aksara mamena lima mene lidi lima mene man. Kuri hakitibika English. You are man. You are man. Kuri lima mene man. Lima mene. Di noha tama bita. Di noha tejulang emang ngabeni kuri lima mene. Naksali bamela theluna mene ting bo ba iketsang holy Jerusalem patali qetile le di ratang totally ke freedom. That's how we sex. Very quick and short, guys. You know, let's come phone like busy so guys, ke batla re bueng ka sex. Very quick and very short, guys. Abure ke change ne ke change kapa ke je ke tene ke nana ke betse ka yena ya bo utswa ka cheko guys ke nana ke tla change na go ntsetsa ma guys le mamene mena sa bua ka lona ke batla re bueng ka speed, guys ke new year and ke kopa tswa letseng ke a tseba lena le di resolution lena le di resolution ne lena le di resolution le a plan for this year, guys. Ke kopa letse sex part of the resolution alone. It's on sex part of the resolution alone. One, lona batho ba nyetsweng yetsa sex part of the ingole listing ifake ikinye listing man sex ikinye, guys. Lona ba karama nyalo, lona ba kara the relationship, sex it's supposed to be part of the resolution alone. You need to tell yourself sex is going to be a part of you know why? Because really sex kama tu si chatelo lonto banta kwetu re nyaletswe ntho yeo re tlo etsa sex one of the resolutions tsa lona, and then hali qetile ke a tswa ba bang ba lona le tlo bua hore hena ke tlo gym this year ne a hle wena ba bang ke a tswa le tlo re ke tlo gym this year now re tlo ja hantle this year, re fokotse mekhaba, re ja hantle so that ha re tlo have sex re ska ra have sex e ka ke tlo khalmela he motho na sebediswa ke satan o ne nga mfounela mara wa bona ke dropa. So now re tlo ja hantle this year bana re tlo ja hantle this year tshwantse le ja hantle. You know, not because I'm lazy, I don't want to gym. Since Kikweleti Jimmy, long time ago. Long time ago, I think, kenale almost a year to 2 years, kesa sholiki gym. Mariki jahan. Bo. Bo. Kijahan, this year, Rekoja Hantle, guys. Rekoja Hantle. Power mix. Instant protein cereal. Instant protein cereal. Power mix. Yana kya banana here. High protein, vitamin of whatever. Record Yana here. Power mix. No matter what from Uja, I mean, what from Jimmy, can plan. Power mix, protein instead of protein cereal of high protein, weight free, weight free, vitamin enrich power mix, no, record Jahanka, guys, Lunaba Sabatung Hujima. Yo, Linagile, ki almost junk food fail. Ibite mukaba wena mancha dialuma. Ubite mukaba wana wakohai. Ubizen umkaba. Ubite mukaba. Kadi papa, Lijadi papa tadi nduna, pofu tadi iwiza, lijadi papa tebima, power mix here. Banana, yana Kenya. Yana ke strawberry, yana it's a meal, keep on. And then, yana, what is this? Strawberry. Guys, because I'm lazy to go to gym, he decided because uka Bishop Tita Armona Mudimunseku Rapella. Thank you, Tatem Rutoka. Thank you, Bishop. Thank you so much. Ke rata modimo ka pelo ka fela ke phulusitswe ke ngwana modimo ke rata morena Jesu with all my heart. I serve God with all my heart. Marlona gre le ka se understand ne lona le ka se understand so guys, resolutions tsa lona than sex. If lengotse dintho tsa lona fatshe, if lengotse hore if lengotse dintho tsa lona hore this year le batla ho phela jwang, if le batla, if le decide ke batla se ka bala di comment ne di tlo mphatsamisa because jole tla tshwanela ke ne ke arabe so la hlele ke tshepo moya o ntsole nameng ha ikopa ke le tlwele ma power mix banana strawberry ha ikopa se ka bala di comments ne di mphatsamisa ha ikopa se ka di bala. So guys, sex, it's one of the things that's something very serious. Manyalong alone, the relationship in alone, it's one of the things so something really is a part of the resolutions that role. I'm going to tell you why. Guys, manyalo amangata holwanela sex. Most ya manyalo amangata holwanela sex. Most ya mechato emengata iqhalwa ke sex. Most ya di cheating tsengata di qhalwa ke sex. Most ya bofebe buyetswa ke sex. The reason why bofebe bo hola every day buyetswa fela ke one. Sex is one of the things that contribute to but ba qeteletse ba se ba cheatana but ba failana ka ramanyalo ka ra relationship. And ke itwetsitse guys ka re ke tlo bua ka sex and lona ke tlo le tla frustrate go re o no itse o chinchile ke chinchile hamonate. I'm still maintaining taba ya chinchile ke chinchile ke ngwana modimo ke phulusitswe and I love God mar I know lona le ka se understand ke go bodi twelve because le ka se understand. And then number 2 ha se lona ba authorize phuluso ha se lona di authorize tsa phuluso ai go ke ga bona le lona ha se lona ba authorize ha se lona. But now him. So guys, re tlo etsa sex especially in our marriage, it's a part of resolution. Now, here's the problem. You know why? A part of resolution, Saruna. It is because refaila the partner Rataruna. Because in our mind, we only think or manyalong reketi fela go tlo pheya lo cleana lo etsa bana ndikala ndiphinde batho ba nahana gore manyalong ba tletse go cleana ba etsa ba tletse go tlo etsa bana and then ba tletse ba ze luzopheka. That is why most ya basadi when a phehile e phekile o nahana gore ke yona ntho e tletseng lenyalo when a clean ntlo abantu ba cimba ukuthi emitshatweni bazele uzoqhina nokwenza abantwana banna ba bangata banahana gore lenyalo ba tlile o tla fa basadi ba bona tšhelete o tlile o tla fa mosadi wa o tšhelete tlonke le jwetsa bo buti bontate basadi ba hona jwale ba na le tšhelete isang dintelela. Never think or when you give a woman money then you are sustaining your marriage by giving your partner umufa tšhelete kapa o reka grocery kapa o yetsang. Guys, asi ona ntho basadi ba itletseng. One of the reason e basadi ba itletseng ka ra lenyalo ke sex. One of the thing e banna ba itletseng ka ra lenyalo e tsa gore re nyalane ke sex. Sifuna ikuku re batla dikuku bana ba go gae re batla dikuku man onsvel di cook yet re batla go ja dikuku ha re tla tla cleaner mo no hey na ke na mosadi ya tlabantsa cleaner mona a tonane mona e dunisi la pantsa cleaner a bantlo njwetsa gore wa mpona e sadi ke cleaner sebetse jwalo nna ke tlo nyalla mosadi o cleaner. One of the thing e ke nyallang hape ke ponana le pona ngwanaka le pona yes ke nnete re nyalane because of re batla batho ba tlo re hlokomela but this one of the thing ha re nyalana o tlo cleaner matlo a rona re na le bo antino ka re na le bo anti rona. If you think o ra o tla lenyalo o tle o tla cleaner no rona re tle o tla clean re na le bo anti. And when you think you are married to somebody o mo hlokomela ka fine ka tšhelete basadi ba hona jwale bana le tšhelete. Guys, nkutlweng ha ke kgathale le antšhatša ha ke kgathale le nrwaka ha ke kgathale le re ke a hlane ebile ke change penti kutlwa ebile ke galla o change penti kutlwa ke galla o change kutlwa ke galla o change kutlwa ke galla o change penti ya fireka kutlwa ke galla o change penti ya fireka Africa, let's have a good color change up in Africa. I am fun. Let's have a color change up in let's have a color change up in the kitchen. Let's have a color change up in Holy and sons. So, you're big. Hey! Hai le hlantsha le tsore ke galo change penti la hlantsha. So guys, in Jesus name, ngolang nkan di sex tsa manyalo a lona serious. If ka tlunya hao le lwanela sex ilungise lonto ha ilungise mara go gae ha ka kopa ilungise. If sex it's a problem ka tlunya lona le alwana for sex, if le alwana in your relationship ka sex le lwanela sex ilungiseni ilukiseni because sex e thuba manyalo, sex e etsa hore be le bofebe, sex e etsa hore be le cheating, e lokiseng. Ha e lokiseng bana ba boga. Hey, ha e lokiseng. And here's the problem, guys. Yapin. Guys, I know hore nowadays we are tired. Number one, we are very tired. That one I can do, man. We are very tired. Banma karamanyalo, karama la pabona. They are tired. Basadi, they are tired because nowadays, but basebeta and resebeta katata renalidi in. We always tired. Like I'm always tired. Matatingana, keep like hearted, and I'm always tired. But that is not a big deal. But guys, let us not use tabaya mohatala resebedise as a reason in our marriage. Let us not use a mohatar masinga seben sumtino ilele baka or riskara etsa di responsibility tsa rona, especially ka sex. Skaba sebedisa mohatar. Don't fail your partner ka baka la mohatala. Don't fail your partner ka baka la tiredness. Now because of hearted, now you are not in a good mood for having sex in your partner realm. Le failure manyalo alona, le failure the responsibility alone. That's like a sugar. Now, yapil guys. Bo me banjin lebo os banjin. Yapil minimizante la yo le jankayo. Minimizang tsela yeo le jang ka yona. Matsatsing ana ha re kgathatswe fela ke mesebetsi, but one of the thing e re kgathatsang enngwe indlela si kyang ngayo. Eliaja Eliaja Leja e ka ruti le di taxi owner tsa di long distance. Leja e ka ruti le di taxi owner tsa di taxi tsa di long distance. Ai leja ma. Ai leja. Ai leja ma. Leja, skeleton. Nahana uya bethe ujileso Eliaja Eliaja ai bana ba kha ni aja man ni aja ni aja ma Can I get a taxi driver? But 20 taxi around just and you know what is painful? Le German Tibuo, le Jacamo 9, Utelem Bailicam, Ujile, Mona, Hutleti, Iwiza Miss, mona ho tletse induna o tletse induna mona ho tletse itau mo ho tletse itau mo mplela fela when o batla have sex o le That is why if you are lazy, because guys, do you know that a weight when only a heavy weight can make you or be lazy for sex. Heavy weight can make you or be lazy for sex. But when only heavy weight, only makeup, only in that thing can make you or be lazy for sex. And today, this year, if you don't go to the gym, it can go. Guys, what's wrong? Keep one need on the team. Keja power mix here, lebona or else keja the peanuts, ka yogurt. If you feel it's late, I don't want to eat the jote heavy, I go for peanuts, the yogurt. Keja the peanuts, the raisins. Then all power mix. Guys, power mix. Power mix. Power mix can help you. It's in a protein. You don't need to eat heavy meal. Because one of the things I retransfer we have sex at the Kubon Lady Betten Kapawet Utolor reverse sex at 35 minutes. It is because it in you. You can imagine even Mutiara Katauja, I mean. You are tired. When you become tired or lazy, you can imagine now as in ready taxi owner, Velcom, taxi owner, Paragon taxi, the taxi border Renyamaser. We think we will be active. That is why today, Baba Maluma how fika better because Lijani Papa Tekarum Hote, Ikarikili Fung, Ikarum, Ikarikili Fule Koti, Papa Engaka. Guys, I don't eat Kangakon. I make sure that I eat katsela right so that it can still maintain an energy. Njache, natabalulu. Njache. Maintain your energy. Make sure that you have energy for your partner. Make sure that you have energy, your sex, so that you must Celibile lele botso we have sex lingena ne ke jwetsa batho ke re e ka ro ka iscrewful ka ro go tse le botso gore you are so tired, you are lazy, e ka ro ka iscrewful we e ka ro ka batlela spanner set skela tsamaya oh baba balloon hona tsole manyalo e ka re no as we speak e ka re o ka iscrewful la tje e ka re o ka iscrewful la tje e ka re o ka iscrewful la o e tshware ka ta o e hula ka mogole le mbotswa le e ka re le ka iscrewful la o enke o e fe monna ha gore baby e jelle ka ra le tsonaka o ska wa ntonna o ska wa ntena e ka re le ka iscrewful. Why? Because we are lazy. See almena. And it's because of I understand the regular khatet, the regular responsibility, but responsibility. One of the things affecting sex, guys, kitaba ya disho. Ukuja, hoja ukoti banabeso. Hotela ya urejanga yon, very dangerous, very dangerous, very dangerous. Akiba tu bamaka. very dangerous. But papa, ija papa Hussein, ijani papa Hussein, ija papa Hussein, kapa ija papa Muthiare, but mantsibuwa ebusuku, yakano ikipapa, twala muja induna, how katilo bonana, utala heva sex. Come back, Jesus was in that. Come back, I think induna, aye, kolondoma, aye, man. Come induna, eka, ujina, uhote, usantoleta bo, women on top, Joan, Jesus is kidding, as if you tear, utleta women on top of Joan, kampa ebima. Bontate, because there are time more when we have sex, as a man, when I know when we have sex, what's on the long we are teaching. We are teaching, ne? We are teaching, ne? We are teaching. John, utoyeta John, by image, so when Zanjadi Susike, since in you, utoyeta John. Kimani mota fana li Roberti Karumukota wasamento, Roberto di Mamoto, unto. I don't know, man. Aluna lamporta se. Aluna lamporta mo. Aluna lamporta na tatile belun roka mo. Aluna lamporta. There is no way. Uka tlatsampa ya hao ka papa. O tlo etsa jwang sex. O tlo etsa jwang. O tlo etsa jwang sex. O tlo etsa jwang. Huh? O tlo etsa jwang. O tlo etsa jwang sex. No, that is when you are forced to roll out. Le email ni anzimelan. Lena o khotse mpa ya hae khotse. Lala important. Power mix. Let's say this is power mix. Power mix. And Antonio Hono, it's a business. You can start your own business. Power mix. Phone there, you can start your own business. Ujile induna. Urobetije. Okhotsi induna. Honali induna yongwe. Ki double induna. Kidi induna tseka. Di induna. Kidi induna tseka. Ay, no la lampa. No, no la lampa, caluna. And na akirati plate kiri induna tse pedi, 2 indunas. 2 indunas. Induna tse pedi. Tell you something. I don't know important. Hey, nna ke re power mix o di batla a qetile o mfounela ke tla o fa tsona o re shake ya power mix a qetile bore baby come here ke tlo le jwetsa something why dinduna tse pedi two indunas la ka re batletsa doggy style ka mpa e tletseng papa a suka yo doggy style ya papa sefapane tlo ba tje tla bo khumametse ka doggy style ya papa o khotse tje o hlotho o tlo le thata le go be o tlo induna ena e ditse mo o tlo induna ena e ditse mo gore o tona meeting agree doki e batla o bene mo you need to bene mo doki batla o bene so abo doki batla so o bena jwang ka bo induna e tletse ka o tlo bena jwang o sa go be ka nja o tlo go be jwang nje o tlo go be jwang ke man mo tlo etsa nje doki style ya ho tlo be so o tlo betsa doki style ena ntsha ya prayer of the doki style tlo betsa doki style o tlo betsa cow khomu kana ke eng ka English kana khomu ke eng ka English it's a cow you're going to hit the donkey of the cow like this o tla bo tona metse e le re ngwanaka papa e tletse ka mpa kunzi mukuti ka nne tlebe Kobetsa doki ya prayer of the cow of the 4 feet maoto 4 because doki batla o kobeke that is why batho ba bangata ba sa tsebong o master doki abatse boetsa tjena ne abatse boetsa tjena because doki this part ya how o tshwantse roba le fat this part matswele a how o tshwantse roba le fat flat when you yetsa doki now how you yetsa doki o khotse haholo mpa e khotse o tletsa doki style of the cow of the like this because doki style of the cow doki style ya home doki style of the cow because mpa we tletse le anya ka morao a ntse nga le ka o etsa doki le ena o hlailetse ka dimba o khotse papa e hlothi papa e ntse je le ena wa sukula because inyametse ntwena le nto inyamele inyametse e hlaile hanyanyana e hlaile hanyanyana e hlaile hanyane ha o e bone lwena okay lwena o e bone ya phuncuka ya chepuwa because jwale mpa itletse itletse nduna inte yona uyenze doki style of the cow uyenze lwena ka nqena ka morao lwena o tletse papa igcwele suswini wasukula batho ba mpatle lefatshe le la Jerusalem. Oh, Shaka Zulu. Now, now, don't get it. Who explore sex are you easy when you are lazy and tired? When only lazy, only botswa and no khathetse, how huna mohlanditlo explorant sex yalo. 2, ho explore sex o re thusa hore re improve sex ya rona, and the more re improve sex ya rona is the more re creating interest to each other. Exploring sex o re thusa taba hore ho explore sex o re thusa hore when we explore sex, guys, 1 ho etsa hore le sex ya lona ya improve, and then how sex improve. 2, le create interest to each other, because the more le explore sex ya lona is the more you create an interest. That is why recently nekile Wimpy Kiloja ha ke fitla Wimpy ke fana ba entse dijo tse ding ba kentse meal o mong ba improvisitse meal wa bona. Why ba improvise meal wa bona Wimpy? It is because ba etsa bonete ba hore we must not lose interest ya we are Wimpy. That is the reason etsa hore ba tle ka menu o mong. When you go to the restaurant, sometimes you talk about le bona ba edile menu o mocha. Why ba tlisa a new menu? It is because ba create the interest. We must not lose interest ya restaurant. So when resa improve sex, when we don't improve in manyalo aruna, the relationships aruna, if resa improve sex, 1, interpret around to lose interest. Or lose interest to your partner. That is why all about basa having sex. O tell her 3 days, 5 days, a month, basa having sex. Popular together, but they don't have sex. You know why basa having sex? It is because you lose interest. Because you know, or mutena haikia uyanakilo mupalama, uno shebela udin. And there is nothing interesting, there is nothing fun, but baluza interesting because of there is no improvement tabinya sex. If Ali improves sex, make no mistake, guys. Make no mistake. One of the things you can lose interest. If Ali improves sex alone, if Ali improves sex alone, 1 lose interest. That is why Ranalabana. Basa khalim basari babon. That is why rena le basadi basa khalim banna babon. Abantu basa khalalana namhlanje mitshatweni. Batho abangata basa khalana manyalong a bona. Ha basa khalanya, ha basa khalana. You don't have that interest. You don't have that drive. You push it on go and have fun le partner ram. Batho ba improve. Now ya pele ke tseke botswa le mokhathala ukudinwa nokunqena. Mokhathala umdino nokunqena. Mokhathala le botswa ke tsona tse affectang sex tsa banyalo ba tsa di couple tse ngata. Abantu abaningi there is no way le ka improve sex ya lona le botswa le dula le khathetse. That is number 1. It's good trainer, it's good we are gymming, it's good to do those things. But for those who doesn't have time, kapaba lazy to go to gym, ya pele ijang handle ikane ngendlela right, guys. Ijang ka tsele right so that manyalo a lona ska affected ka bakala sex. Now we can batho ba ngata ba gone improve sex tsa bona. Manyalo batho ba gone improve sex tsa bona. Batho ba gone improve sex tsa bona di relationshiping. And trying to do it, guys. For you, relationship is sebete. Yes, I know there are a lot of things that can make your relationship to work. But one of the things that can make your relationship to work is sex. When you can understand, sex can also can play a huge role for you. Or mutwa abaqeteletse awunyetsi. Enye into yenza I-role eyenza ukuthi abantu bachatane. It's a sex, guys. Sex is one of the things that help a man to make a decision ngokuthi uyakuchata okanye njani. And abantu abangadalitsibi into yini. Halitsibi, especially basadi. Do you know that, guys, basadi huruna banna, when ke batla ho etsa decision about committing myself, sex is one of the things e ke considerang hore motho yona o jwang sexually o jwang motho yona o monate kapa monate, because believe me, ha ona monna ya batlang ho nyala mosadi ya seng good sexual. Ha ona monna ya batlang ho ikomita le mosadi ya seng good sexual. The same way le lona banna and le lona basadi le sa batlo ho ikomita ka batho ba seng ka banna ba seng good sexual. So that is why we need to take sex very important. Hence, if you don't if you don't train, if you don't have time to go to Virgin Active, kapa you don't have time ujima kakum, but make sure that you eat right. Ichani kakuhle, guys. Ijang hand. Like I said, can I 2 years kisa hloniki train. Can I 2 years full kisa hloniki train. Aksaya Virgin Active can I di ntomo di michini, can I treadmill, can I di bicycle, but I don't have time, I'm lazy. But make no mistake, I eat well, I eat right. Why? Because I don't want to add more mokhatala in my body. So let us be careful, let us be very careful, guys, especially but what about to sustain, who maintain manyalo abona le the relationships abona. You need to make sure that you maintain how you eat. Ukaja the way you want to eat, exen ungacha ngendlela yakho. If ujahahulu say jahahulu mutiara, but in the afternoon, please, guys. So, guys, so why something right? There is nothing wrong to have mukaba. I say problem to ubali mukaba umon. That's not a big problem, because when I'm about to we have sex kamukaba. When I'm about to basadi babangata ba hona ho fa ho entsha punana ba hona ho entsha ana le mukaba hona le basadi ba good sexually antsana le mukaba hona le banna ba good sexually ba ntse bana le mukaba. But one of the things something we understand we don't just have sex manyalong aron, but the purpose ya sex sex is bond. Bond about. It's all about bond. One of the things is sex. Sex is all about babeli bond, but bond too much about sex. But by heaven sex whole. But by heaven sex whole. I'm telling you, those people bond. Barato spender together. Barato spender nako together, and it's our babeli affection. Obali a lot of affection and obali bond, especially for batubara to have sex. Now, why would you honor bond yetu again? Yetu agori li enjoy a sex alone. What's more than sex? Sounds usanatile. Gore, when I'm about to buy heaven sex, it's a responsibility. When I'm about to buy a sex, it's a responsibility. Who want sex is a responsibility. Yo, I can't move because if kids are move, utokwata. I can't move because ke tswa re mosadi wa ka o tlo kwata ha ke sa move. But that is not how sex is a. Yes, sex is one of the responsibility. But in terms of that, we need to understand your sex. Sex, it is a bond. That is why most yabanna, when munna wa hao, aka thola side chick a good sexually. Make no mistake, munna hao, uto spend na kwele side chick. Make no mistake, guys. When a man can have a good sex side chick, make no mistake, uto bonda le side chick, uto spend na kwele side chick, uto dulansa le side chick, because sex is about bond, and then yes or that affection, because le atashana le dula le together le dula le tshwarane it's about to bond. That is why today rena le basadi ba failang banna ba bona am fail because una le boyfriend ka bona le nyatsi somewhere. Rena le basadi ba failang banna ba bona, rena le basadi rena le banna ba failang basadi babona ka baka la di side chick. And the reason why this person amataka mra side chick, it is because side chick e mo fa kuku e monate ba eva sex e monate ha go kopana di side chick. That is why now I decided to spend nako le side chick, because sex ya bona e monate. So ke tse dintsa di tshotso something re di hlokomele this year. We need to be very careful, guys, this year. Sex o tshwantse re nke ile rule rinke ilinto ebuhlokwa. We need to make sure that our sex renka ilinto very important manyalong a rona le di relationship in salon lona ba ka rata relationship. Sex it can thusa to commit. Sex it can help you to commit, and baba balona already you are in a committed relationship. That is why your partner aratang spend na kolwena. That is why I'll be there. That is why baba mba stay together. Stay together. Stay together yet to fella. This person will enjoy a sex out to an extent ubaka spend na kolwena. So that is why olimbuhlo kwa hore the kuku the sex runa the improve this way. Guys, I'm sure lunkukwile. Then Yabubedi ki khale ki bua yena yeno khale ki bua Yabubedi khale ki bua yeno yona khale ki bua kere if le batla explore sex Yabubedi ki bu clean. If le batla explore sex, guys, Yabubedi ki bu clean. Guys, nowadays wa chesa ria sweta ria tsa watches baba mbalona le na di tono tse golo, guys, and di tono tse golo di sweater very quick. Abanye le na di tono tse golo le na di bono tse golo ba bang le a fufulela. One of the thing important is to make sure that le are clean and le are sharp. Le hlapa thoroughly, guys. Le hlapa di tono, le hlapa mmele, le shave di kuku tsa lona, le shave di kwai tsa lona, le a shave, because now wabona ki kinto now it's too hot to watch it. Le a sweater. Now you can imagine when una le boya ka kuku bu sweatile and hali etile ubure vaka tight. Yes. Yo uswetile ki 100% women hair of the hoy ite ifufuletswe bilili kuku ifufuletswe ha uketile bore za ka tight be kwala suffocate iba suffocation of the kuku ifufuletswe mohlangu hlobolang tight ho tlongga kunukumbilo ngkha mufufutso ngkha ditunu, because nempundu ziyanuka, guys, diyankha dibolo the way we chesa ngaten ziyanuka nempundu, guys, diyankha straight dibaka metsi sifuna mara. If you want to explore dibono diyankha no adinkhi no hobe hayi kubi adinkhi no hey difufuletse ha isibilile bantwana sibilile stop not hey hayi ziyabila diabela bana beso dibunu ena kre ba bana di rata di kholo ke ezinhle di kholo ra di rata le nna ke di rata marjwale fufuletse o tu di sibili fufuletse jwale no di fufule now you can imagine how qetile how shave then how qetile o dutse mon ka 100% of women hair a hoy dreadlocks idutse mane kite unkha. Those are the things. Now I want to say, guys, this year prioritize sex. Make sex one of your responsibility. Not your responsibility. Make sex, especially lona banyetswe iyetse ingole the resolution in some improve sex. What about Sunday? Ka di 31. I was saying to people, guys, one of the things something real to minimize the problem. One of the things something real is to minimize the problem. Yes, we are going to record the problem record the issues the relationship. We record but we need to try to minimize the problem and the issues karamanyalo. And one of the things that can help you to minimize it's when your partner arata sex. Monna ya rata nkuku mofe kuku. Keko balekele jet. Monna ya rata nkuku mofe kuku because if you don't do that, otodula le monna ya sogodisa. One of the things, guys, what's my kid? Let us eat right. Let us train. Let us make sure that we are. Because one of the things when mutahaleti sex, guys, here sex it'll frustrate. You become so much frustrated if it's actually sex. Yes. Guys, one of the things. What's about Sunday? Guys, let us try to minimize our problem karamanyalo. And trying to just bon. So fapan bon. Lona batho ba botswa sexually. So long o sa fe monna kuku. So long o sa fe mosadi wa kuku. O tlo dula le monna ya grumpy. Le bitsa grumpy. Ya grumpy. Ya tenehile ya anger. Do you know that to sex it creates a bitterness if you don't come? If munna asa rote, if munna how akhaletse sex o sina mohlanga o mo rutisa, o tlo dula le munna ya grumpy. Very angry. O tlo dula le munna ya angry. O tlo dula le motho ya bitter. Ni tlo dula le batho ba bitter ba kwatileng. Ke go ba lo jetsa sephiri bon. Guys, bona se fapan bon. If o batla o ba miserable in your marriage, if o batla o ba miserable in your relationship, tima bana ba lona sex. Ba tima monna ho sex. Yes. Wena tlo makala hore monna ka o kwata fela o tinile fela o ke tseba kan when ke khaletse sex. Yeah. Here lona le tsebe how khaletse sex. Le no botsa motho ditsimpe lao wa bona ntsa bona pentitse a khaletse sex pelo ya o tla jole ka yeah. Nna le ndiba ne qhuku ne ke ba le qhuku fela ke khaletse sex ke ba le qhuku nna yo mna ndiba ne qhuku hla ke robale akula le ku khaletse sex a robale next now mokhathala ntona o ja haholo ya o se je hantle e etsa gore dile re kgathetse na batho e be etsa gore re safarise di-partnera tsa rona and tlo ke le jwetse sefapang sa ntate modimo bona ke kopa o botse monna wa kapa o botse mosadi wa gore when a galletse sexe o feela jwang o ba angry o dula le bitter o dula le sheba batho bana ba senang banna ba senang basadi ba galletseng sexe mesebetsi man ba di mutsu motho o ba di mutsu when o galletse sexe society if o galletse o ruta yeah o ba di mutsu and ka bo madimabe ha re gone ho etsa sex because we are lazy and then are qetile sometimes bile le sex ya rona re etsa sex ya o ruta nje re etsa sex ya o ruta nje yo cha re etsa sex ya o khama fela we etsa sex ya o khama fela there is nothing improve e bitire re etsa ka ramanyalo re etsa di sex tsa o ruta fela ra rutisana nje and sex ya tshwanela ho ba jwalo ha ya tshwanela as much ke batla o khama le yona batla khama but that khama ho tshwantse re enjoy we must enjoy that khama. It is not right to live sex just because we batla ho ruta le mo batla ho ruta ha se sex monate. That is why batho ba lona di partner tsa lona once di ke tsa thola batho somewhere di tlo spenda nako le batho ba because batho ba bang sex o bona ha se just it's like I don't just have sex nna ke etsa sex fela I get a sex ke etsa ka pelo ka kaofela nna ke etsa sex tsa lona tsa makeisheneng ke tse le re go bana di bla base water I get the sex nyana nje nna ke etsa sex nyana well now make sure and we need to enjoy we need to enjoy ke etsa sex nyana tsena 1 2 3 so la ka English for 5 minutes 5 minutes you need to enjoy we must play Khaleza we need to play re bapale we must enjoy sex it doesn't matter little have a round A1 it doesn't matter it's just the one round but that one round it wants to be the best round doesn't matter like nna ke etsa di round tse ngata ke nana ka o sebetsa a se score fontaine ha ke tlo have sex ka rote ke score 5 ha ke patao ha ke tlo have sex ka rote ke score 4 ke theoetse ke gola ka di hour se score 4 ke tlo have sex ka rote mohlomong ke score 4 ke theoetse jwale o tshwantse ke gola ka theoa busuka fela ibe nhlelo busuku bonke busuka fela ke akutsho mai no busuku bonke okondisihla ndinyuka hayi sali busuka fela ke robala 5 minutes ho tsetsuwa ndiyavuka hape ke tlo khutsu 5 minutes hayi Asiskof. Yo, Asiskof. It is not like Kitewets to Holagadi Awara. I get to Jaku Karot Mukumu, his spirit. You're like Yachana Roba. Uto Mutario, ne Haria Robal of Suko Ferrafori. Sex ever to Tijualu. Give. Lea 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, now go kamisa the way you want. 5 times unto kama, 7 times, 10 times, go kamisa 5-10 unto come because I know ha ke qetile come nna ke bina se fela se re o nka di mile motswalle wa mitsa ka lerato ile hapilu ile utlile bohloko o entse thato ya karoba now I'm going to tell you a best sex doesn't matter little have sex little bit a one round but le ka petsa one round, the best one round e tlo etsa gore le wena ga o qeta o khama le na qeta o khama be le tlo re gotsofetse go na le sex ya gore ha le qeta o khama le khame ka tsele etsa gore o tlo re ano you are right o tlo re ano I'm okay gore ha o tlo o khame gore gore la o bona penti tsena ne ya ka next door gore ha o bona penti ya ka next door gore hona le khama e tla o yetsa gore o khame gore ha o bona penti ya ka next door o tlo tenega gore o tlo o nyonya man o tlo nyonya gore o tlo re o khame 8 of the withdraw of out of all you come off or withdraw of come out of shwa of guys, that is why la le khathetse but ka nako yeo le tlo havang sex e etse ka passion so that la le ke la etsa one round mar le etse one round e etsang gore ha le qetile be le utlwa gore I'm okay o mo rutise gore ha qeta o rota o utlwa re ke shapa ke batle next di joint tsa ka o mo screwfulle di joint o screwfulle motho di joint sex tsa lona tsa busuka o fela e ka rote ke scoff e ka rote o thewetse e ka re jalo gana taxi o vula vala e ka re wa bula wa kwala o thewe o bulela batho ba thewa ba kena e ka re yote tseno ke tsena tsa batho ba sa coming to the full blast sex tsa tsa lona tse ke tsona tse etsang gore jwale le ba forced to sebetsa busuka o fela e ka rote ke scoffo jwale le thewetse e ka rote jwale ke mosebetsi e ka rote jwale o nurse e ka ro nurse ha wa tshwanela go robala o bara gwana hospital o katile bakudu ka tla bakuli ha wa tshwanela go robala khona a se sex ntse tsa lona tse tsa busuka o fela ngalali o tlo go tswa di gopo di le bohloko o bore no it was nice the purpose of your sex is to bring that bond. Number 2, that bond yani ne and then I qetile le access yo guys it's Young Hank this year Young Hank this year Young Hank this year Young Hank. Number 2, if you are able to go to the gym Jimmy. If aukoni Young Hank, but make sure that we prepare a good sex guys. Let us minimize the problem guys when especially when kina le partner when kina le mosadi abasa mpikuku yo le tlo dula le lwana ka ramanyalo lona le tlo dula le frustrated ka ramanyalo lona once o sa fe monna ha o kuku monna o tlo dula kwatile once o sa fe mosadi wa kuku o tlo dula kwatile le tlo dula le kwatela le tlo dula le qabana le tlo dula and guys I'm telling you le dula le frustrated na ka tlong when there is no a good sex ka tlong but a good sex is a relief o dula o thabile as a man as a husband as a wife o dula o thabile because it's hona jwan if nganka coke ka shaker thank you Spark and Bond kiss Spark thank you so much for analysis when nganka coke o boil bottle ya coke o boil skala sama if o ka nka bottle la Coke o bo etsa tjena bottle la Coke o bo etsa tjena o etsa tjena o tlo bona e tlo tlala ka hare e tlo tlala and how you etsa tjena o e bula tjena o tla utla e re shwa intsha because in it so when motho asa tholi sex when partner rawo asa tholi sex one of the thing uba bita o tletse because you need to remember sex it's one of the things that's a relief it's a relief reliever that is why kwa etsa runa ha di emi immediately iruta kwa etsa uruta nje automatically yawa because why iwa because you are relieved and why harikata ukama harikata uruta nje utawona mutasa robala why because that energy that was in your body that thing you are relieved relieved. So the reason why manyalo aruna rena re dula le batho ba bita basadi ba bita banna ba bita ke taba ba tima sex and how mutima sex o tlo dula le motho ya bita and how le bita le tlo qabanela everything we're not gonna yo lo mntu ulwela amanzi ulwanela metsi ulwanela kanti no motho o tletse haholo o tletse so the reason why I get it is because how onu come. But once o kamisa motho wa o mo fa chance or a rote le ever sex and a kama hand I'm telling you o tlo phela le motho happy o tlo phela le motho a tlo yet standing because one of the things runa bana re betche it's when motho fa a good sex our relieve and then how qetile abasa o feel stress le nku kile rutile le yona when you have a good punana o tshwantse be le kelo le right because ba bomba lona o tlo thola hore you are good sexually but ka molomong o sele hona le basadi ba seleng ka molomong o sele ka sehlomare sexually o right but o thola hore o sele the same way hona le banna ba seleng but o thola hore sexually o good but o sele so we need to make sure that re dintho tsena re a di balance guys ya hwala le nkutlwile ya di last this year ya the last this year ikinye schedule salo ikinye schedule salo ifan sex ikinye iyetsetseng matsatsi au ka ona le sa tlongwe yetsa ka tlong iyetsetseng nako guys le last day ke la ka le kopa dintho tsena kare it's sometimes bukang le somewhere le patale kae iyetsetseng budget guys ke le kopa etsetsang sex ya lona budget have a budget for your sex sometimes let's say bore rena le bukana bore tlo busebetsang just to go and sleep somewhere iyetsetseng budget sex ya lona se fapan if le batla o enjoy it's a budget. Somebody can put on Dr. November. What do you mean? Guys, do you know that Batubaya, the reason why Batubaya Deben, Utolo Munna Waho Atama and say Chiki Aya Deben, it is because by yet's a budget. But Banna by yet it's a sexy budget. By budget, that is why Rale Banna about Tuamuna. And your girlfriend I Cape Town. I'll not spend 3 days like girlfriend Cape Town. 3 days, Abuja, Cape Town. Alo buka because by yet it's a budget. But one can sex serious guys. By yet it's a budget sex. Luna, panya mono telibo. Budget bon guys sex but buying can serious buy it's a budget budget Sometimes Chuan Lilo have sex somewhere. It's a budget. It's a party budget. I mean, it's a budget. When we partner the school fees, lends a shelter for the school fees, lends a shelter for grocery, lends a shelter. But Lily sex is alone. My yalon, I yet a budget, guys. Keep wapel on that. That is why we're not about to bank and the girlfriend at someone Abaya Cape Town. That is why we're not about to buy in Cape Town. Balo Zera Cape Town. Who spend you a shelter because you want to go to the new environment, new place. It's budget, sexy alone. It's budget. If Cape Town, if you don't afford to go to Cape Town, if you don't afford to go to Dubai of Kai, but make sure that you make a budget, you it's a budget, it's a budget, sexy alone. Or baby, Bukana, we are going to spend this money for going Rilo Eva sex, Rilo Jana country, Rilo regard the drinks, how to enjoy. If liba to ban one the wine, reckon the wine, little mahi. If liba to ban one, Bataman Metia Kereke, Samayan reckon Metzingang, young reckon holy water. Reckon the holy water, Jamaica the holy water. Ngan the holy water, do not pollution. Ngan the holy water. But sex, it's one of the things it's on budget. But on buying can serious. About 36 serious buy it's a budget. Lilu na babambalu namu. Hale li vela sex. Lilo jello about Cape Town. Lilo jello about Deben. Lilo jello East London. Why? It is because some people who are taking sex at a serious buy it's a budget for you. Make sure that when you budget for your everything, make sure that it's budget. Yes, some budget. Yes, it's some budget, guys. Eating a smart. Eating a smart. Guys, I'm about to close. When Lilo Rekadi pass, the more Rekadi pass, the more Rekadi pass, the pass. Where Tinan depend is smart. Tinan when appetizer mutwao kakamuri. Tinan dinto te close te kisan that appetite. Kili rutile hanse kina lidinto lidi lingerie. Nekina litona na rupo like this she sees. Hanse kina lidi lingerie. But in the sector di kamara kiti di apar. I cannot di apar markito di twara. Ki rute katon. I'm not going to wear it, but kito ruta katon. But it's very important to rate in a lady sex salon. Wait in there, you must dress accordingly. Holatella, tabaya appetizer mood. Utsonse, lisonse li tuteli tabao appetizer mood. Or appetizer mood. That is all lumbu. As much as Rechatala really frustrated, but to something really budget for sex salon, we need to make sure that rekadi pasho. Te tshwanetse. How lo etsa shopping? Tloelang go reka di jeans fela, tloelang go reka di maruge fela, rekang le dintho tse smart tsa ka dikamore, rekang di penti tsa ka dikamore. Botsa monna wa go rata khala e jwang ya penti, o rata penti jwang. Mbuza. Botsa partner ra o rata penti jwang. Bontate, botsa basadi ba lona ba rata di underwear tse jwang. Tse jwang. Botsa di partner be bo o rata underwear jwang. Tloelang go tina di video. I discuss key dress code. Nana munna. Yeah. Nana. When it's my train, it be in the chin. It be in the chin. Yes, hi. Yes, yes. Yeah. Batho ba lona, baby, what is your favorite underwear? What's this? Good someone. It bondate. Chancy print. It better you need to dress an underwear a bit and very bit and dick print. Ntate aparontwe isapa. Ushoka thuso. Ushoka immediately of help. Yeah. Mona aparontwe. You need of immediately of help. Yeah. Yeah. With immediately of help. Yes, right. What's wrong? How romantic are you? Immediately of help. Abara munaga tilantu. Out about ushoka with immediately of help. Munaga tilantu. Muna robalang atinantu. Muna tinantu. Out about ushoka. Ndotana riditina bo saying. Hussein, when Hussein will relax it kakru, you cannot tinantu. But ifing uyedu kubong otinantu. You need to wear something a printer. You must wear something a printer kwaye. Musado how shebache a bonnetic print. Jesus. Lelona. Botsamba na balo na ore u botsa mona baby o rata painting jwa. How? Ai. Hey, you na le painting. Na le color etsedi, na le color ye ngwe. Ai, na le color ye ngwe tsena. Ai color ye no man. Ya lukisa. Nahan, I said. Nahan, boy, Nahan. I said. Anava paranto teche. Color beige. Jesus. Beige. Nah, bana ba go gae. Nah, mutasa tla dating aliche. Nah, mutata wena aliche. E marbonta telebo. Bana ba go gae. Nah, ha ka tilo tunani go bona yentse. Bo. Yo. Ay, la se, ay. It's just that little idea. Toto parento tete. Oh, Sakazu. You, ebite. Iti. Irobetiche. Hal. Kupa samal. Kupa rukwal. nna qetile hore le ruta ke itse nna Power Mix. You can also start business here ka ntwe le mfounele 073 202 9079. Guys, ijang hantle nna qetile ijang hantle ijang di shake try yang o thola body tsa lona theolang guys ijang hantle. If you are lazy to go to gym ijang dintho tse tshwanang le bo power mix instead protein cereal ke ntho tse tshwanang le tsena bana beso o kgona lo qala business ka nthwena kgona lo qala your own business o di rekisetse batho ntho tsena le mosebetsi man buy this ke sa re di tswa di le ka 10 kapa ka ra bag di tswa di le 10 o kgona di reka ntho tsena o qetile o bulo di rekisetsa batho. Sometimes lo wena motsheare o reduce tsela ya o ja then we get tse shaking ya nena or fela ha o lapile fela o nore so that le tlwelo ya dikubong ka dimpa tse kgolo tse kgathetseng tse heavy ke papa le induna le ntho le thuso kana hona le papa di tswang thuso hona le profe di tswang thuso. So 073 202 9079 o ka mfounela mo 0 unrumele WhatsApp 073 202 9079. Hai ne beijing tsamaya ka nna sure penge beiji yo beiji tsamaya ka nna ai penteka beiji. That is my favorite color. Yes. Kana go tsana tsa dipenti tsa lantse di silk antse di le teng silky beige and penti tshwantse se ka ba loose penti ha tshwanela ho ba loose penti ha tshwanela ho ba loose ha tshwanela ho ba loose le lona e kgona printer when o tinne penti e sharp e kgona printer that e kgona printer kuku ya hao yo o kgona ho printer smart ona le kuku tse ona le penti tse kgona ho printer kore ha o hlobotse te o hlobotse fela tse o emetse no tinne penti kore motho a ba utlwa re ya no no kore you need o apare penti penti tsa nna ya tshwana ka re ke sunroof ya koloi a ya tshwanela hore e ka re ke sunroof a ya tshwanela ho ba sunroof a ya tshwanela ho tlala moya penti ya tshwanela ho tlala moya man a e fanela ho qola moya e ka re ho ke sunroof but to manage handle to avoid the danger of the car. Guys, thank you so much. Guys, ke ma batlang bua le nna pele ke kwala. Happy New Year, Matshepo. Na qetile guys. Guys, na qetile ka nnete. I think ke di thusitse ba ke ba thuseng if o batla o mfounela o ka sebedisa le 061 503 4617 061 503 4617. If batla o bua le nna before ke kwala number ya ka ke mam 061 503 4617. Ke a kwala guys, 061 503 4617. Ke qetile guys, nna ke re jwetsitse vandag jang hantle trainer. If you are a trainer, if you train ja hantle tloelang botswa, spendelang budgetang for sex tsa lona, ban le budget for the sex tsa lona, and then di apareleng hantle, pendi tsa lona di ske tsa tlala moya, pendi ya tshwanela ho ba sunroof of the car a ya tshwanela. Nna qetile guys ka nnete ka ho tsho jwalo ka nnete qetile ka nnete tloelang dipapa mantsibo bana ba go gae a iya ke ni papa tloelang dipapa mantsibo, tloelang go ja dipapa le tloetla betting a le tlo performa hantle. Next tloelang papa a le tlo performa hantle, so la ka ntse le ya ka dipapa betting a le tlo performa hantle ka nnete. Kwetile guys, I love you. Until we meet again. Ke le rata. Mantswa ka qetela ke hore I so wish people they can understand hore ke tsantse ke maintain taba ya ka ya ho change. I'm still maintaining taba ya ho repent. Ke repentile. I feel like it in dintho, but I'm not going to stop taba ya have fun. I'm not going to stop taba ya have fun. And I'm not going to stop taba ya hore I must make this lekker Vrydag hore ibe monate. I'm not going to stop it. They know that is why people they don't understand for me who apara so, I'm just doing this for fun. But I understand, I'm just doing this thing only for fun. That is why I appearing sweater into short pants, underwear. I'm just doing this only for fun. People they need to understand that, because kibana every time at we to rependile in Lekker Vrydag is sensitive. Ribuaka sex, it's very sensitive. We cannot ribuaka sex really serious. Sex is very sensitive and it's something very sensitive. So if ngata di tlo bua sex ke le serious, le net will be heavy for nna. So that is why ke ratang hore ke etse hore ibe fun ke etse. I'm still maintaining taba hore ke ngwana modimo ke phulusitswe ke hlaro ke tshwaretse dipe, but I'm not going to stop to have fun. I'm not going to be until I get to stop. Next, so babona they can be angry for na baka feel hore ke iketsisa ke maka but they won't understand hore sex is very sensitive. I cannot come give you mona ke bana beso re tlo bua ka sex re tlo bua ka, no, I cannot do that. That is why ke tlo etsa dintho tse ding just hore re tshe ho be monate, but be ke tseba hore through ditshewo tseno ntse ke tsheisa letsa ke tla bentse ke bua ka sex, because honestly as not, sex is very sensitive and I am monate. It's for fun. Can it Motsewa? It's for fun. I'm just doing this for fun only for fun. We listen but we don't judge. Thank you so much. Sex needs demonstration and it will bore. Can it already was in a sense boril. after ke tlweletse dikete ke tlweletseng e ne bora le ke Frida ga runa it was so much boring because jwale mono I make feel or lena for me it was boring ka neta ke batho mamaka and then I like to have fun le ke rekeng if ka lo mamela di semono tsaka ke rekeng ya ka ke a joke ke gwara batho nna me fun person ke rata fun ke rata fun I like to have fun ke rekeng ya ka I'm a preacher I'm a motivational speaker I'm a comedian ke dintho tsena kaofela ke rekeng ya ka because now I like fun so that is why you I'm not going to stop with dintho tse so because as long ke tshintshile dintho tse ding le ka sekole le mpona ke apere diphahlo ke tshase ka di makeup ke etsa le yona there was nothing wrong ka yona until there was nothing wrong ka yona ke a tseba there was nothing wrong but the reason why ke tlweletse yona is because batho ba ne ba le confused ba ipotsa gore ke gay ke eng but ke tshintshile ke di beetse ka thoko so now I'm not going to stop taba ya have fun mona batho ba na le bothata ka nna ba feel gore ha ke a repentance ke le maka I have to the nearest hell of to go to the bright place of the devil abalocha I love you guys and we're have fun with it rata so thank you and Taunyani are in a Warsabulla, Retabile, are have fun, Novi. Fifty were Ntwana Yaka, good night. I'll take the risk of Wakaya. I didn't get it. Avalu Nyamela, ni. How about you toilet? Bye guys.